If you're driving down the bluff roads outside Alma, maybe along Highway 35, hugging the Mississippi, and in a split second, everything changes. Your tires lock up, you feel that jolt from behind, or worse, maybe you never even saw the other driver coming around the corner. Now your heart's racing, your vehicle's wrecked, and within hours your phone starts ringing. It's probably the other driver's insurance company. They'll sound friendly enough. They'll say, "We just want your side of the story." They'll probably ask for a recorded statement. But here's the trouble. What you say in that moment, while you're still shaken, still in pain, still trying to figure out what's going on, that could all be used later to either reduce or maybe deny your claim under Wisconsin auto accident laws. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do next and what to avoid so you don't get taken advantage of by an insurance company. If you're searching for an Alma Car Accident Lawyer, this is what you need to know right away. You see, I've been handling car and truck accident cases around western Wisconsin for over 20 years. I've taken on big insurance companies and taken cases to trial when they refuse to do what's right. And when it comes to crashes in places like Alma, narrow roads, river traffic, blind curves, these cases have their own challenges, and so local advice can make a huge difference. So here they are. Number one, get medical attention and then follow through with it. Even if you think you're okay, it'll just wear off, you need to get it checked out. You see a lot of injuries that happen in these kinds of accidents, neck injuries, back injuries, or maybe even head injuries, don't fully show up until hours or sometimes days later. You see, if there's no medical record showing that you went to the doctor after the crash, the insurance company will generally argue that any injuries couldn't have been caused by the accident. So don't tough it out, get seen just in case, and then follow your doctor's recommendations, and then just make sure that they document everything for you. Number two, be careful when talking to the insurance company. They're probably not calling to help you, they're calling to protect their bottom line and try to minimize the damage. That recorded statement they're asking you to give, that's going to be evidence that they'll use against you if they can and you pursue a claim against them later. They'll ask questions like, were you on the phone at the time of the crash? Or how fast were you really going? You feel okay, right? And then if you downplay your injuries or guess at something, that could hurt your case later on. You see, you're not required to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. Now, once you hire a personal injury lawyer, the insurance company can't call you anymore. Number three, try to preserve evidence, especially in rural places like Alma. Accidents in Alma often involve curbs, hills, limited visibility, and sometimes just out-of-town drivers who are just unfamiliar with the area. Evidence that can be preserved becomes very important later, especially if there's a dispute about who's at fault. You're going to want things like photos of the vehicles, any skid marks on the roads, road conditions if there's snow or ice, and look for any cameras nearby, maybe from homes or businesses along Highway 35, especially gas stations. The sooner that gets documented, the better off you'll be, because once that evidence is gone, it's gone. If you or a family member has been hurt in a crash in or around Alma, Wisconsin, you have lots of questions if you've never been through this before. Let's get you the information you need, make sure you understand your rights, and then make sure that someone is protecting you and your family from the insurance company. If you're looking for an Alma Car Accident Lawyer who understands western Wisconsin roads and juries and how these cases actually work, just reach out to us at any time. And if you want to fully understand the process, what happens next, how cases are handled, what to expect, make sure to watch the next video on your screen. That's where I walk you through exactly what it's like to handle a personal injury case and work with a personal injury lawyer here in Wisconsin from A to Z.